This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use L-Creatine. Start with consistent daily dosing rather than random large amounts. Choose 3 to 5 g per day mixed in water or a shake. Take it around training or any consistent time. Combine with carbohydrates to aid uptake. Avoid relying on loading phases. Monitor how you feel and adjust slightly as needed. Consult a healthcare professional if you have kidney concerns before starting supplementation. In this video, I will explain how to use L-Creatine. If you choose a loading phase, use about 20 g daily divided into 4 doses for 5 to 7 days only. Otherwise, just start maintenance at 3 to 5 g daily. Loading can speed saturation, but is not necessary. Many prefer steady maintenance to reduce digestive issues. Always mix creatine thoroughly, and take with a meal or carbohydrate source for best uptake and comfort during use. In this video, I will explain how to use L-Creatine. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading workout plans and nutrition guides while you rest between sets. It's lightweight, has a sharp screen for any light, and fits in a gym bag easily. If you're curious, check the description for the link and current deals. Please subscribe and like if you're finding this helpful. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use L-Creatine. Aim for consistency by taking it at a regular time each day. Pre- or post-workout both work. Dissolve 3 to 5 g in cold water, juice, or a shake. Pairing with carbs like fruit juice can enhance uptake. Avoid hot drinks and store powder in a dry place. Track your routine to ensure daily adherence and steady performance improvements over weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.